Hello everybody, Fabian here, your realtor and chef. Today we're gonna make some California rolls. Yes, California rolls. They're very easy to make. So let's go to the kitchen and make some California rolls. All right people, so we're gonna make some sushi rolls, California sushi rolls. So what we're gonna do is seaweed, the bamboo roll, and then we're gonna season the rice with vinegar and a little bit of sugar. And the rice is really sticky, so you might wanna dip your hands in water. Now we're gonna add the black sesame seed, like so. And then we're gonna flip it so the seaweed can be in the inside. Okay, so we get it like so. All right. Now we're gonna do the roll, and we're gonna go like so, right? So you get it from the edge. You're gonna tuck it. Okay. Look at that. And then we're gonna roll it again and tuck it. Tighten it so all the ingredients can get tight in there. And roll it one more time. Tuck it one more time. Squeeze it so it can get tight. All right, there you go, your California roll. Now we're gonna cut it into the rolls. Alright, California rolls is complete, and we're just gonna add some ginger, soy sauce, and wasabi. Look at that, avocado California roll.